Chaim Grade would come, and he was the most dynamic, charismatic kind of a guy you would want to meet. I mean, bombastic is also a word I have to throw in there, and a chain smoker. He would come in and the house would rumble. I mean, his personality was out there, and opinionated arguments day and night, you know, and he'd come and stay, and I would listen to these arguments because my mother had her feelings about religion, and Chaim Grade was the son of a rabbi, and an Orthodox rabbi, and his background is so different, and he was so strong in his opinions and his speaking and his just from putting a cigarette out and lighting another cigarette, you know, following. It was constant ashtrays, you know, you were racing around trying to catch the butts of cigarettes. And he'd go from room to room and storm and pace. And I mean, he was what you call a real character, but I loved him. Yeah, he was a fun guy. I mean, you know, you'd laugh, but you'd get a little nervous because he was so strong and very, you know, whatever he said it, and, you know, don't argue. You know, you don't have the proof, I have the proof, you know, kind of attitude. And, but he would try to joke around, and my mother would get, you know, huffed up and, you know, or back up over some issue, and then he says, I'll talk to you later, you know, and they would separate and come to terms and come back again, and, you know, but they were great buddies, really. He felt very much at home with her, and my mother liked to challenge people, and she was good at it, and she would like to put you on a spot rather than turn it the other way around. And so, but he could get her goat, and she could get his goat. So they were a matched pair in their temperaments. I mean, she could get fired up too.